shift our focus to some other details coming in. We're now understanding the Jharkhand High Court has taken cognizance of the Dumka murder case. Remember, in Dumka, class 12 student was set on fire by a youngster who had first stalked her and then eventually indulged himself in this murder. He's been identified as Shahrukh. This is also led to a political war of words. Remember, the BJP has lashed out at the Jharkhand Chief Minister, and they've gone on to say that this incident actually has shaken the state. And while the Chief Minister was busy on a picnic, what is the action that is now being taken? But first, let's understand the developments that we're bringing to you now as far as the Jharkhand High Court is concerned. My colleague Saurabh Rathore is now joining us on the broadcast. Saurabh, talk to us about what's played out as far as the Jharkhand High Court is concerned.
Yes, the Jharkhand High Court has taken suo motu cognizance of Ankita Murder Case, and it has summoned DGP and Home Secretary of Jharkhand in that case. Not only the Jharkhand High Court, in fact, yesterday we saw Governor calling up DGP, and he was taking note of all the developments of this case, in which the Governor commented that this kind of incident should not happen, and it questions about the law and order of the state. And he has in fact given a kind of warning to the DGP and told him to look into the matter seriously and get the investigation done as soon as possible, so that justice should be done to the family. In fact, the governor has also issued a check of 2 lakh rupees from his discretionary discretionary account. So now today we have seen the development. The Jharkhand High Court has taken suo motu cognizance, and it has summoned the Home Secretary as well as the DGP of Jharkhand in this case.
Okay, Saurabh, I also want to talk to you about a controversy as far as the victim's age is concerned. Is this now looking like a case where officials wanted to hide the fact that the victim was a minor?
Prima facie, it seems like, because the father of the girl, he on camera he said that the girl's age was 17 years. In fact, I talked to the medical superintendent of RIMS Ranchi, that is Rajendra Institute of Medical Sciences, where she was admitted on 23rd of August, and the document over there, the records said, in fact, the medical superintendent confirmed the age of the girl was 17. Now, if we look at the statement that was recorded when the girl was in hospital, when she was brought in Dumka hospital, where the statement was recorded in front of executive magistrate, the police statement that had recorded says that the age was 19 years. So clearly there is a discrepancy in the age, and in fact the BJP and other leaders of BJP top brass such as Raghubar Das, Baulan Marandi, Arjun Munda, they all have been raising this question as to how come the police officials registered the wrong age. It was a
Saurabh, I apologize for interrupting. I'll just continue the conversation with you. We're now getting another update coming in where we're understanding the Jharkhand DGP also has been summoned in the Dumka murder case, and he's been summoned as far as the High Court is concerned. What more details are you picking up on those lines? Saurabh, can you hear me? Okay, we'll try and re-establish that connection with my colleague Saurabh. But the big update is that the High Court has taken cognizance. We're also understanding that they've also summoned the Jharkhand DGP. Remember, this has led into a political war of words, leading to the larger question, have we failed the victim?